22 years ago, Greenlight began with a clear purpose: to deliver a reliable electrical solutions and the power to go beyond. From project execution to long-term partnerships, our work reflects commitment, precision, and progress.
Every milestone is driven by responsibility, quality, and a shared mindset to go beyond expectations. Behind every achievement is a team committed to excellence and shared success.
Each milestone reflects our dedication to quality, reliability, and long-term partnerships. We are grateful for the trust of our clients and partners who continue to move forward with us.